peoples? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing a fidget spinner contest. If you guys are excited for this video, hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the little bell right next to it to become a part of the notification squad. Also join my Discord. Join my Discord server. It's down in the description. Down there. And let's just start this. So, as you can see, this might take a while, but I'm gonna start by showing you guys my favorite ones. So, these are my 5 favorite. My first favorite, also sorry you guys can't see my face, but it's gonna have to be like that for now. Okay, before I break my camera, let's put the camera back. Okay. So my first favorite one is the slowest of my favorites, but it's still my favorite. So it's this one right here. Come on, focus. Focus. Whatever. So I'm gonna put this one. Actually, I'm not gonna put it. I'm just gonna put it over here right for now. This is my second favorite one. It's really cool. So let's put that down. This is my third favorite one. Has skulls on it. Focus. Okay, whatever. This one was actually my first one I ever got. And then there's this one. I know fidget spinners are like kind of a meme, but I want to bring them back, you know? Okay, so let's start with the contest. I'm gonna get these set up, so I don't want to waste time. So yeah, I'm just gonna get to set these up from like the lightest pretty much. So yeah. Yeah guys, I know this is gonna be a little bit hard to do because I can't like spin them all at the same time. So I decided to like put them light to most heavy so that it would be kind of fair. Let's put this back. Okay, are you guys ready for the fidget spinner contest of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 fidget spinners? 316 right now. 3, 2, 1, go. This one won't work. So guys, there's a few that aren't good on this mouse pad, so that kind of sucks. But the first one out seems to be this one right here, which I didn't actually expect. I thought it'd be this one because it was having a lot of trouble, and I'm actually pretty surprised. Let's just turn the light on, and I want to. This fidget spinner is awesome. It makes different shapes. It's pretty cool. Also, guys, sorry about the sound. So, I'm actually surprised that the first one is going on for quite a while. This one, apparently, though, just stopped. So, dang it. Okay, have any other ones stopped yet? No. So, this is the loser's lounge right here. Uh-oh. I think this one stopped first. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. I'm sorry. Wow, a lot of them are going bye-bye right now. Okay, it's a battle between these, this one, and this one. Okay, it looks like this one is in for a surprise. Oh, also this one though. So, Losers Lounge you go. Losers Lounge you go. What am I doing? Okay. Looks like this one's gonna be next. Also, guys, thumbs up for my new hair. Ka. That should be a thing. It's called the Ka. Ka. Okay, back to fidget spinners. Okay. Yeah, looks like this one's next. But I can't really tell with the wheel one. No, will this one actually win? Will this one win? Oh my gosh. This one stopped. Losers Lounge you go. Oh my gosh. Will the wheel win? Guys, thumbs up right now. Will the wheel, thumbs up right now if you think the wheel will win. Take a look. No! It looks like you stay the champion. And look, it's not even that quiet. So, this one, sorry, you got second place. It's pretty good. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did too, hit that like button down below, unless you already did. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe because it's nice, and hit the little bell right next to it. To become a part of the notification squad, join my Discord server down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Ow. Ow. I hit my arm. Wait, no. Like, what's this part of your body called? Dang it.